So let's have a discussion. Natural hair in the corporate workplace. Listen, I work in corporate and it's different every time. I wear sew-ins, I wear quick weaves, I wear my natural hair. Clearly, that's what I have in today. You hear a lot of people talking about how natural hair isn't corporate material. You can make your natural hair corporate material. Don't let nobody ever tell you that your hair is not able to fit in, or whatever you want to call it, with the corporate world, because clearly it's not going to change. This is not going to change. So that whoever needs to feel comfortable. No, I feel comfortable with my hair, so it's never going to change. You get different reactions. Of course you do. Because like I said, like I was saying, I wear quick weaves, sew-ins, and I get a different reaction every single time. But my favorite reaction is when these stupid motherfuckers always gotta ask, is that your real hair? Like when you get you some inches or whatever, or some bundles, they have to ask, is that your real hair? Oh, your hair is so pretty. Like, bitch, you know damn well this not my real hair. You know my hair was at the top of my ear last week. Why would you ask me that? Like, I hate that. Like, it's so irritating. Like, why would you ask that? Like, especially with braids and everything. And that's the thing that annoys me the most. I'm not even gonna get into it, but that's the thing. I don't like how some companies try to justify that braids aren't under policy or aren't professional, when we all know that they are. Then, speaking of my natural hair, I can't stand when they ask, oh, how you get your hair like that? How is it so curly? How you get it so fluffy and voluminous? Bitch, water. That's it. That is all. You know, if you want to go deep in, I can give you a tutorial, but as far as, and then that bullshit, oh, can I touch it? No, you can't touch my fucking hair. No. Like, what the fuck I look like, Lane? You... No, you can't touch my hair. Sorry. Stupid.